Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to pause a Facebook group. So firstly, you have to go to the Facebook group here. Then you will find here three dot icon, which is here right corner. Click on this and scroll down, and you'll find here pause group. This option. Click on pause group and choose a reason why you want to pause this group, and click on continue. Click on continue again. You can write anything you want, but if you don't want to, you can click on this choose pause group. Your group has been paused. Okay, if you want to resume again, you have to click on resume. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.